What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be pranking Austin basically for his birthday. We have a ton of ideas planned. I actually have Kenzie here with me now. Also, while we're on the topic of Kenzie, we might be giving her the black Grand Cherokee depending on a couple things. You guys will see that in an upcoming video. If we do, would you like to see her get a YouTube channel and post her own videos on there? She'll be going off-roading with us and all that kind of stuff. If you want to see that, go ahead and comment down below and we'll get that worked out, get that all set up, and I'll go ahead and post her YouTube channel so you guys can subscribe to that. But we have a ton of stuff to figure out as far as buying stuff for Austin's Jeep. I'll go ahead and put a picture up here of something we're kind of sort of trying to replicate, and you guys can kind of get the idea. But make sure you guys stay tuned to the end because I am going to get him a real gift. We got him a funny gift as well because it's Austin. But I'm going to get him a real gift towards the end of the video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But let's head to the store and pick up all the stuff for Austin's Jeep. Here.
Mm-hmm.
These is a little screwed up. That these is screwed up. It's so much easier on a clean car too. So we also got 48 balloons because I didn't really know how many it was going to take to fill up his car. We got all of the Kenzie Cake stickers on there, the Rocky TV stickers. We got everything already put on. I forgot a Rocky TV at home, so we just put it on the windshield. Looks better that way anyway. He hates orange, so we went ahead and went with orange because we thought that would look best with his orange cage. So we'll help him take this off. If he doesn't like it, his car's super dirty anyway, so it's not a huge deal. But we're gonna go ahead and pump up 48 balloons and try to fill his car with them. Hopefully it does not take all 48 of them though. Remember though, guys, look all you want, but please do not touch his Jeep. One bag down, we got, a few of them in here. I think we honestly bought perfect amount or a little bit too little. We don't really have to fill out the back though, because all he's gonna see is the front anyway. Perfect because it's in his backyard, so he's got to park, then come around the house to see it. So this is like the perfect setup. This is the 24th one. Basically have the whole front full. Are we filling the back?
I might as well.
All right, guys, we're filling the back as well. So I'm just gonna start throwing them back there. It's starting to rain though, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna put his window up. So we'll figure that out once we're done filling this up with balloons. I don't think he cares too much if it gets wet in there, but starting to be able to see the balloons from the outside. Balloon like 30 something. The front's almost done. Kenzie just gotta finish the rest of the balloons all by herself, and then we'll be done. I don't think we're gonna have enough to fill the back though, do you?
I don't know. I think we will if we just both put in effort.
Yeah, so we probably won't have enough to fill out the back because I'm not gonna sit here and blow up balloons. But we're gonna go ahead and fill at least the front. Look what you did. No.
We have no choice now.
We also have to figure out how to put the window up once we are done because it is still raining. We also got balloons we'll tie to his mirrors and stuff, and we got him some pretty cool ones. I'll show you guys in a little bit. I think he's gonna like them a lot. And then we got him a gift, but it's not really a good gift. It's just a t-shirt making fun of him. But besides that, we got him a cake. That was nice. Kenzie picked out a cake for him, and it says, what does it say?
Happy birthday, little man.
Yeah, so you got a custom cake all from us, so he's got to be thankful. This is a cool gift. We might go ahead and get him a discount on some new wheels because he's been talking about that forever. So he can only get so mad because he needs wheels desperately, and he can get discounts. So we're gonna hook him up with that, and we're gonna go ahead and finish this. This is the last balloon, and we got 48 of them in here. You just face all of them towards the window. It'll be funnier that way. So the front's basically stuffed full, and unfortunately we are not gonna be able to close this window. The back has a ton in there as well. No, don't open the door. Let him do that. Here, the window will go up, I lied. Kenzie got it. All right, so we got 48 balloons in there. We got all the decals down the side. On the windshield. We're gonna go get the balloons. And what are we tying? One on each corner? All right, let's go get this. So this is the only real gift we got him. I mean, it's kind of a crappy gift, I'll be completely honest. But we thought about him. So he likes these. He wanted to buy a whole box the other day. So we bought him these. Yeah, let's explain the rock. So we didn't get him anything, right? So we got him a big bag. We're gonna put the rock inside of it. So it feels really heavy and he thinks he got a big gift. But it's really just a rock and some protein bars. And we also got him a shirt. This one's kind of just making fun of him for being a little man. But this isn't even trying to be rude, but I think we got too big of a shirt for him. It's a medium, but like it kind of seems a little bit big. And we got him his cake here with some birthday boy candles and a card that we have to sign, but we don't have a pen. Here's the best part though, is we got him some good balloons. We got him the You're Number One. We got him a princess balloon. We got him You're So Special. And then an extra smiley face, since all the other ones were smiley faces. So we're gonna go tie one of these onto each corner of his Jeep and get the rest of it set up. He also mentioned a bunch of times that he would put Rocky TV stickers on the side of his car. So we went ahead and delivered him what he was asking for. Kenzie's wrapping up the shirt real nice. I'm gonna finish putting all these balloons on. We actually got 5. I forgot to show you this one. It's Happy Birthday Unicorn one. So we're gonna go ahead and finish all this up. We have no idea when he's gonna be home because he was supposed to be home at 7 or something, and it's now way past that, so we gotta figure this all out. We got all the balloons up. I put them a little high, Kenzie said, but I think she's wrong. I think they're at a great height. We're gonna go ahead and try to figure out what time he's gonna be home. Probably come back later. Let's put his gift and his cake up here. We gotta go get a lighter anyway for his cake, and we gotta get a pen to sign his card because Kenzie forgot to get a pen at the store, so we gotta go get one of those. But this is basically the final product. I think he's either going to be super happy with it or extremely unhappy with it. End of the day though, we're going to give him a discount and hook him up with some wheels, so it'll be all right in the long run. Also, kind of off topic, but if you guys want to see us like build some of this, let us know. He was mentioning filming videos on like the leaf springs. Then he has an axle swap going in his other Jeep because he broke his axle. Kind of off topic, but if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. But we're going to go figure out what time he's going to be home and get the rest of the stuff we need. It says Happy Birthday Little Man on it. It is custom made. We got it custom done, dude.
Yeah, I had to harass the ladies to make it for you.
It was kind of expensive. There was one that was a little screwed up on the corner. It was half off.
You can. That's what Cheat did.
But wait, we're gonna put candles in it. You gotta wait till the whole thing. Yeah. I'm not singing, I'll be completely honest with you, but happy birthday.
What did you do to him?
Nothing.
Because he's never nice.
Hey, just wait, dude.
Are you ready?
Yeah, cover your eye. Hold on, put the cake on your hood. Put the cake on your hood.
Should we bring a gift?
Turn the headlights on. Cover your eyes.
I don't like when you give me shit.
Just cover your eyes, Austin. Cover your eyes. I don't own this. This is yours. You have it on video now. Cover your eyes.
Here, I'll brush it.
Yeah.
Here, I'll guide you.
I have my best friend Kenzie guide you.
My best friend Kenzie. Dude, you're slave on the Rocky TV.
Watch what you're saying.
You ever heard that? Yeah, pretty good.
Open them up.
Are you fucking kidding me? Big division.
Wait, this is the other stickers up?
Check out the windshield.
It's better. Make sure you check out the balloons too.
I thought you were wrapping it.
Division for you.
Here, there's a card in there too for you.
Open the card first. I drew something for you. I made a drawing. I didn't have a pen though, so you know this pen's right on metal with.
Yeah.
I used one of those, so it might smell strong because I got the eye in the car. Yeah, I spent money on that. And probably could have put me nicer.
Bro, it was fucking for a 6-year-old.
We went to the dollar store, dude. They didn't have the options.
Happy birthday, little man. Kenzie cakes, what the fuck? Life size?
It feels heavy, doesn't it? There's probably something in there.
Yeah.
Screwed up.
What the fuck?
Ignore that. I screwed that up. I'll be honest with you. That wasn't supposed to be nice.
It's backwards.
It's all backwards. We couldn't find one side to make it, but like I screwed it up. That one's on me.
Big Dick is back in town.
Yeah, we're gonna fly behind the car,
Oh, really?
but it's all screwed up. This is where it gets
How you
good.
can take selfies in front of it.
Yeah, good. I saw the first one you posted your tattoo ever. It was all backwards. You guys are not real. No, I looked for them, but there was no cool ones. This one was cool though.
You wouldn't buy the whole box? Or
No, I
bought
wouldn't.
it for you.
Okay.
The next one's good.
Oh, I actually picked up the.
This one's good.
This one's good. Okay, you said about that too. This is not good. This is fucking. Oh, what the fuck? Jesus, this fucking pack like it's cocaine or something. Shit, dude. It's a rock. It's a fucking rock.
Okay, the next one's actually good, okay?
There's something else in there?
Yes.
There's something else in there?
He might have pulled it out already. Check the pile of like, yeah, it's in there somewhere.
I don't thought we got it.
We did. Yep, there it is.
Oh, I did make that, yeah. You're gonna like this one. This one, I thought
It's good. It's
Let
good.
me see.
Little man, big dick. That's my YouTube channel.
I didn't know what size you wore, so I got you a medium.
Thank you.
It looked a little big though, so if you need to return it, let me know.
A little nicer.
Bougie as shit. It's a cake on the hood of your car.
Okay, like, really.
Happy birthday, little man. We're not singing to you.
Yay!
Let your girls make a wish. Just don't wish your friends on it. Awesome, for real though, for your birthday, I'm gonna get you a discount on bills. I'm gonna hook you up.
No, he's not.
I am. Literally, why would I just make fun of your car for the last? I spent like 5 hours on that.
I'll see when I believe it. I'll believe when I see it. Sorry.
Check out your wheels.
I got it backwards.